Technically, last month I earned 60,000 rupees as a content creator, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did. Stick till the end because I'm gonna reveal a lot of secrets. Hi, I'm Shivangi, and I'm a model, actor, and now turned into a content creator. Technically, last month I earned 60,000 rupees as a content creator, and it has only been 20 or 25 days since I've started creating good quality content. 60,000 means it 20,000 I got from brand collaboration, and rest of the money I got it from affiliate marketing. Now let's discuss what affiliate marketing is. Basically, it is me recommending product to you guys, and if you guys buy that product, I get a commission out of it. It's usually between 5% to 10%. Sometimes it's also 12%, depends on the brand plus the product that you are trying to sell. For affiliate, I use Layla app to generate links and then post it on my content, and anytime anyone asks for link in my comments, the link is directly sent to their DMs, and when they buy the product, I get a commission. Layla app work with Myntra, Nykaa, Tira Beauty, and Ajio, and even Amazon. So it's very convenient for me to just go to Nykaa app. I select the product that I have recommended in the reel, copy its link, and then paste it to Layla app, and it gives me a separate link that will generate me income. Layla app use करना भी बहुत easy है. When you sign in, you get a whole overview how to use the app, so it's also very convenient. But the catch is you need to have 1,000 followers to apply. Now, if you don't have 1,000 followers, you can always go to Amazon Associate and register yourself as an associate. Whenever you are sharing any product, Amazon itself generates a link for you, but you won't be able to connect to auto DM, so you need to get a separate app for it. And then it's the same process. You just copy the link and post it on auto DM and just select the reel that you want the product to tag. If you're a beginner and you don't have 1,000 followers, I would recommend you to please be very active on social media and just try to cross that 1K line. Apps like Layla and Wishlink give their creators sourcing money and also get their profile whitelisted. So I'll just tell you what whitelisting means. If you're working as an affiliate, suppose if I'm getting this product, I will be returning it back, or else there will be so many products at your place and you will be losing a lot of money of your own to recommend each and every product. Now this is a beauty product, so it won't go back, but products like clothing products, hairstyling products, any electronic products can be returned, but just make sure it is returnable, and if there's a lot of returns happening, the brand will block your profile. So just to avoid that, you need to get whitelisted first. Now sourcing money is also available in apps like Layla and Wishlink, means you don't have to invest anything of your own. You can use the money they have provided you and get the product, but you also need to return the product, so the money will reflect back to your sourcing wallet. Now if you're not whitelisted, what you can do is just recommend product that you already have, such as if I have this product in my vanity, I would just recommend this product. Basically, recommending means reviewing the product, talking about the texture, for beauty brands especially, talking about the texture, and you always need to come up with new finds, amazing finds. For example, if suppose I have this mascara that I really liked, but no one in the market knows about it yet, I'll just recommend this product, and it won't it you need to create very engaging content around this product so people would actually want to buy it. Now if you don't have these products, what can you do? I'll tell you what. So basically, during Valentine's, I was not whitelisted, and I did not had the money, even the courage to buy all these products and recommend it in my series. So what I did is just created content around the product, like gifting ideas you can give to your girlfriend or boyfriend, and I tagged all the products that I had mentioned, and that's how I earned commission without even purchasing the product. Now you understand, like, if the content is engaging, if you're using your mind and your script to your benefit, it will be very easy for you to generate income through affiliate. Now you won't get paid if any product is returned, plus the payment will also reflect in your bank after 2 or 3 months. If one of your reel went viral, you will earn almost 10 to 20,000 in just a blink of an eye. You must have seen those viral bangles that is trending right now. Every creator who does affiliate is trying to push that content because it's already very trending right now, and even if two or three people are purchasing it, they are already getting 100 rupees. Now the key point to sell these product is number one, aesthetic reel. Aesthetics में जितना भी focus कर सकते हो उतना focus करो. Number two, budget friendly. Product needs to be budget friendly. Like sale में कोई product चल रहा है, recommend that. You found this one lipstick that is like 100 rupees and it's very pigmented. Find it on Amazon, Myntra, whatever websites, and just link that product, like create a reel around it. Or just cute stuff, cute lamp, cute books, and it can be home decor, it can be room decor, it can be anything. If it's cute, people would buy it. Then make sure your hook is very strong so people actually watch your video till the end, and that is also the only way Instagram will push your reel forward and it will reach your buyers. That is it for the video. If you have any doubt, you can just comment down below and I will for sure reply. In my next video, I'm gonna talk how you can get paid brand collaboration even though you don't have that many followers. If you like this video and found the information helpful, please make sure to like the video and maybe subscribe. Bye.